Did you know that you can make money from YouTube every day or every hour at least just by listening to music? It's one of the most legitimate and easiest way to make money online that a lot of people swears by. Sounds amazing, isn't it? Imagine waking up to $300 just by listening to music. If you listen to one song, you can make up to $10. If you listen to 3, that's $30. If you watch videos, you can earn as much as these figures. You don't need to spend anything. Just watch or listen, and you'll earn. This can be done within 10 minutes or 5 minutes if you are fast, using your smartphone, computer, laptop, tablet, or any gadget that can play YouTube. You can repeat the whole process as much as you want. No limitations. Earn money through this procedure as much as you can. But before we go further, welcome to the Make Money Online channel, where we will be teaching you the most effective and 100% working, up-to-date Make Money Online ideas. Subscribe and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever there's a new video in this channel. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below so others will see how this one works for you. Now, let's get started. I'll now be showing you the first website and application that you should use to get paid for playing music. Stay with me until the end of this video because I will show you live how to do this, including which song to play, how to select the right music to earn big bucks, and some extra ideas to help you multiply your earnings. If I were you, I will focus on this video very much so I won't miss the most important details. There's nothing more beautiful than waking up every day to do all your normal work, your hobbies, and even the household chores, and at the same time, do all these while earning money. That's because music can run in the background without impacting your revenue earning capability. This app is now available both on App Store and Google Play Store. This is the app logo, so if you have an Android phone, you better make sure that you download the right application from the Google Store so you will legitimately earn money. This is also the same app logo that you will see from the App Store if you have an Apple gadget. The best part is you can start using the app for free. No need to pay or whatever because it is the app that will be paying you instead. As you can see, this is completely free for download. This app will allow you to earn points by listening to songs and different songs genre. Now, go to the YouTube Music radio station. When you head to your account, you'll see something very same to this. Keep your eyes on the screen because this is very important. When you scroll down, you will see here that there are a lot of songs, playlists, and artists to choose from. There are also lots of suggested music. When you combine YouTube Music with a current website, you can generate profit on complete autopilot. That means everything is going to become automatic. I'll show you how to do it later on. What you see here is now of my playlist. There are a lot of songs queued up, but I can definitely add more to these playlists. Once this song is done playing, these one that are currently playing can automatically go on the next music and so on. They will play the music automatically and you will get paid for every music you play. But before we go further, I'll give you a little time to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you are loving this video so far. Leave a comment too, so let us know how you're progressing in these money-making online videos. It's now time to get back to work and earn some more money. I can also turn on the rewind button by moving my mouse over this icon at the bottom right of the screen. That means that once this playlist is done, it will automatically jump to the next song and you can make money again as it only repeats the whole process. Here's a secret on how to make even more money. First, make sure that you queue up as much music as you can. Second is that if you head to the home page, take a look at the hot list. You will be directed to another page with more high quality and suggested videos, as well as new music videos. I suggest that you choose one of these movies because they will pay you more. more money than the current one. However, remember that YouTube will not pay you money. This website will pay you cash to sync. You will get paid right now if you synchronize your YouTube music with this app. You will see here that I have 3 music players running. Here's another bonus tip. Open multiple tabs while you listen to music and get paid. You just have to go back to YouTube and look for songs that are at least 1 hour long. This is because the longer the music is, the more music you can play and the more money you will get paid. Click on the settings button right here when you're ready. You might want to increase the speed through this button. If you double the speed and right-click here, the playback speed is now 2. The song will be much faster. This means that the more songs you listen to, the more money you will get. If you have a slow internet connection, perhaps you have family members sharing the internet connection with, then you can lower the quality to 144p to avoid consuming too much data. You can now listen to music and multiple tabs seamlessly. There's also this amazing Chrome extension which is called YouTube Playback. Speed control, as you can see here. You can download it on Google. It's completely free. When you download this on Google Chrome browser, you can play it on your phone at 3 times the speed. Because as you can see, the maximum speed on YouTube is up to 2 times only. We have the normal 1.25, 1.75, 1.75 up to 2 times. But when you use these mentioned extensions, you can play 3 times the speed, faster than what YouTube provides. This means more money. You can now play songs faster both with YouTube and YouTube Music. If you want more passive income such as this one, head over to my channel to see more of these income-generating opportunities. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for our regular videos like this one. See you in the next video.